Belzona solutions for positive drive rollers. Worn rollers can cause slippage and wear of conveyor belts. In many industries, loss of grip on a roll prevents the plant from working efficiently. Poor traction can lead to premature failure of components, as well as manufacturing slowdowns and unplanned shutdowns. The Belzona solution utilizes a high-strength metallic polymer composite designed for extreme wear resistance with an extremely durable aggregate, which provides a superior non-skid surface with outstanding, long-lasting adhesion. These materials can be applied in situ to almost any type of roller using a very simple process. At this lumber mill, the positive grip system is applied to improve lumber transfer accuracy. This has almost eliminated the need for manual clearing of jams and has reduced associated labor costs. The Belzona positive grip system is quick and easy to apply and provides an extremely durable non-slip surface with excellent traction that will run continuously for up to 30 times longer than the conventional rubber lining, avoiding unscheduled and costly downtime. In today's high-speed mills, mines, and quarries, efficiency improvement is crucial to the operation. That is why Belzona positive grip systems are used on rollers in the most arduous conditions. How can Belzona help you to get a grip on your problems today?